Hello, I am John Pesic. I'm with T1V, and we're here at InfoComm 2019 in Orlando. What I want to demonstrate for you today is one of our core solutions, ThinkHub Connect. It's used in the higher education space quite a bit with active learning. It's also used in the enterprise for training facilities as well too. And the way it consists is it starts right here at the main platform up front with an instructor station, utilizing our core solution called ThinkHub. And with this kind of being the brain or the center of the function, this is where we have our canvas with ThinkHub, where you can obviously take lots of content, you can move the entire canvas. You have about 20 times the virtual space outside of here, which is what's being controlled through the canvas key. But this gives you the ability as an instructor or a professor to have a lot of content all up here at your disposal. Not only that, it's the interactive with the students. Instead of just standing in front and lecturing students the traditional way, we create this interactive learning where the students also have displays out there, and I can actually pull content from a student station. By tapping it in the menu tray where it shows up down here, I can pick up individual students, even though those students are sitting over here, and they have actually brought their own devices into the classroom. They're sitting around one of our ViewHub stations and sharing their device. So now they have this content, and even from the front of the room, by just touching the student station, I can add that to the room. Then I can also tap on an individual student and make that full screen. So I have the ability to grab content from the room, pull it to the front. I can also in turn take this and cast it on out to the entire classroom to where all the student stations have this particular asset. Or if I don't want to do just a specific asset, I can also broadcast the entire canvas out to all the student stations. And then one last ability I also have is docking. So if I have some maybe non-touch displays that are also in the room, maybe I wanted to put a syllabus or that day's lesson, I can touch that asset, dock that, and that appears on dock 1 as well too. Or I could send it over to dock 2 and it would pull over there. So it's the ability to grab, move, manipulate content and assets throughout the classroom, making it much more interactive for the professor as well as for the student. For more information, you can go to T1V.com and check out ThinkHub Connect.